I'm already starting to look for a train through the bushes, as much as I can see. We'll do at this roundabout here is a left turn. Basically, the roundabouts are designed just to allow the traffic to flow a little bit better without the lights and all that, right? So, you got the yield signs. And if there's traffic in the circle or entering the circle, then you would yield to any vehicles already in there. If not, you just go with the flow, and it's counterclockwise. I'm going to guide you through this one here. We're going to make a left turn, so you're in the correct lane. If you needed to go straight at the roundabout, you'd be getting into the right lane over here. Yep, left turn. So at the sign, at the beginning of the concrete, go ahead and put your left signal on and slow it down.
Right now?
Yeah, the left signal. Okay. And so it's staying this way. Nobody's approaching the circle, so we can just keep on rolling right around.
And if there was, it would stop.
Yeah, that's right. Straight in. And at about this point, cancel your signal. Just keep on going that way there. Up Lansing. That way. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you had kept your signal on, it would mean that you're going all the way back. Yeah, the other way around.
Okay.
And we're going to make a right turn coming up over here. And we're going to do a 3-point turn. Want me to walk you through it? Just like for a refresher? Okay. So first of all, signal mirror over the shoulder before you pull over. Yeah, signal right here. Right. Stop at the side of the road here. Signal left. Right in the flow. Drive to the other side of the road. And keep your wheels cranked like that until you stop. Right about. And into reverse. Crank the wheel all the way back to the right. And just before you move around 360. Yeah, crank it all the way to the left and you signal left, yeah, all the way. You want your tires pointed that way. Into drive and off we go. There.
Okay. And I would always do it this way?
Yep. We'll do a couple more today too.
Okay.
Just to reinforce that, like it's so it gets into your muscle memory.